boys and girls, it's Yaya and Leo. Today we're going to do some activities with some items you might have around your house. And the first thing we're going to start with is some shaving cream. We use this a lot in our classroom, just doing it on a tabletop where you squirt out. We'll see what Leo thinks about this because it makes a funny noise when it comes out. What do you think, Leo? It smells good too. And you can just spread it on your countertop or tabletop. And then what we do at school, we practice writing letters or we might practice doing shapes. And then you can just erase it, spread it out more. You can practice writing your name. That's something we practice a lot at school. So I'm going to write my name. Yeah. Oops, gotta clear that up there. Or you can just simply make some pictures. Let's see, it's springtime, I think. I will make a flower. Oops. And some grass. A sun up in the sky. You can think of other things too, like maybe butterflies, or you can draw a picture of yourself playing. So it feels really good. It's really kind of smooth, and then it's also gushy, and you can kind of squeeze it in between your fingers. Most shaving cream smells really good too. So you're using a lot of your senses. Smell and touch, and you're seeing it and you're feeling it. So it's a really good activity to use all those different senses. So once you get done with that, also it cleans stuff off the table. At school we get glue on the table a lot, but by using the shaving cream it washes it right off. So now I'm going to show you another activity we can do. So with the next activity, we're going to start again with the shaving cream, but you'll need some sort of baking dish or maybe even a cookie sheet. And you're just going to kind of put the shaving cream in the baking dish. You're also using your sense of hearing. Can you hear that? Just going to put it in there. It's kind of fun to see the different shapes that it makes while you're doing that. And then we're going to use some food coloring. And this is a fun time to experiment with colors. I don't have all my colors, it looks like. So I'm going to do some drops of blue throughout my shaving cream piles, mountains. They look kind of like clouds, don't they? And add some green. I like to watch it kind of spread out among the little piles of shaving cream. And let's do yellow. I don't have any red, so I'll add some yellow in some different places. It does look orange right now, but it is yellow food coloring. Okay, and then we're gonna mix it up. This is gonna be the fun part. I'm gonna use a whisk to mix it up. You can use a spoon or whatever you want and just kind of mix the colors together and watch the designs that are being formed. Ooh, I like that. These are three of my favorite colors together. They're kind of getting stuck in the whisk a little bit. Like this?
Back bottom side of it.
This side?
Yeah, use the other end.
Okay. Pops thinks I should use the other end, so we'll listen to Pops. There we go. And mixing it all together. Now This is one of those fun activities. It never ends. Right now it seems like an art project, but it's also sort of a science project. That was an interesting noise. Because we've mixed two things together, right? The shaving cream and the food coloring. So before we proceed to the next part of our science project, we're going to do a little art project first. We're just going to take a piece of paper, put it gently on top of the colors we created, and press gently with your hand. You can kind of see the colors through the paper. And then we're going to lift that up. And you can let that dry. But look at that cool picture it looked like. It looks kind of like an artist named Monet. All those colors blended together. All right, and now we can do some science fun. Move on and keep going. So for the rest of this experiment, you'll just need baking soda and vinegar, and a lot of people have that in their house for cooking and cleaning even. So you'll just take a spoon and kind of sprinkle it over your shaving cream. It's kind of flattened out. It looks a little bit like icing on a cake. And you could pour the vinegar right on top, like in a big, and it would fizz all at once. Or you can use a spoon or an eyedropper to do it a little bit at a time. So I've got this, all I have in here is it's just vinegar. So I'm going to go over to where oh, I can hear it bubbling. Hear it bubbling? All right, let's go over here and see it mix in on top of the shaving cream. Let's go over here where there's some more.
Pops wants to try something.
Uh-oh. What's Pops
Wait,
gonna
wait,
do?
wait,
Oh, he
don't
wants me to
put the
wait.
vinegar on first.
Okay, let's try
Let's
something.
see.
So put food coloring on top of the baking soda. All right, so now you want me to do it? Let's see what happens. Oh, that is cool. You can see the bubbling a little bit more. So you can add some varieties just like Pops did when you're doing an experiment. Let's try that with some other colors too. There's the yellow. That's fun. And then now I'm even getting a little bit more creative. Let's do blue and then put yellow next to it. See if it mixes together when we add the vinegar. Oh, I see a color that it formed right there in the middle. Do you see? Yellow and blue makes green. Boys and girls, I hope you have fun. We'll edit this in once it's dry so you can see what it looks like. It really almost looks darker on the other side than the side that actually has the shaving cream. But it will take a little while to dry before we can show that to you. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.